Main operating base. A main operating base is the largest, most permanent military installation in any theater of war. Fully self-sustaining like a small city, it houses hospitals, schools, and command centers. Famous examples include Ramstein Air Base and Camp Arifjan. Every major operation is directed from here. Due to its critical importance, enemies always prioritize targeting it, making its defense equally critical. Naval base or naval station. A naval base is the backbone of maritime military power. Housing entire carrier strike groups, submarines, and destroyers, it controls vast ocean regions. Naval Station Norfolk is the world's largest naval base, projecting American power across every ocean simultaneously. These installations are critical to global trade protection, power projection, and deterrence. The 1941 Pearl Harbor attack permanently revolutionized how naval bases are defended worldwide. Air Force Base, or AFB. An Air Force base commands the skies over entire regions. Housing fighter wings, strategic bombers, and nuclear-armed aircraft, it is the center of air superiority. Famous bases like Edwards, Nellis, and Lackland have shaped aviation history. Some AFBs maintain nuclear weapons on 24/7 alert, ready within minutes. Classified facilities like Area 51 add an extraordinary layer of mystery and strategic intrigue. Joint Base. Created through the 2005 Base Realignment and Closure decision, joint bases merge two or more military branches under one unified command. Joint Base Lewis McChord, Pearl Harbor Hickam, and Andrews are prime examples. They maximize efficiency, reduce costs, and increase combined combat capability. Despite occasional inter-branch culture clashes, joint basing is rapidly becoming the global standard for modern military installation management worldwide. Forward Operating Base, or FOB. A forward operating base became the most recognized symbol of modern warfare during conflicts in Afghanistan and Iraq. Established rapidly in hostile territory, FOBs house hundreds of troops behind HESCO barriers and guard towers. Life inside is harsh, dangerous, and psychologically demanding. Famous FOBs like Salerno and Anaconda supported massive operations. Rocket attacks, insider threats, and supply interdiction remain their greatest vulnerabilities. Naval shipyard/dockyard. A naval shipyard is where maritime power is born and maintained. Massive dry docks, nuclear refueling facilities, and weapons installation bays keep the world's most advanced warships operational. Portsmouth, Puget Sound, and Newport News are legendary examples. Without shipyards, entire fleets collapse. Tens of thousands of civilians work alongside military personnel, performing extraordinarily complex overhauls that keep nuclear-powered submarines and aircraft carriers combat-ready for decades. Marine Corps Base. A Marine Corps base is designed around one purpose: producing the world's most elite amphibious fighting force. MCB Camp Pendleton hosts massive amphibious training ranges on California's coastline. MCB Quantico houses the FBI headquarters, Officer Candidate School, and Marine Corps University. Units constantly cycle through grueling pre-deployment workups, integrating ground, air, and naval forces. Marines are always forward deployed, always ready, always dangerous. Marine Corps Air Station. A Marine Corps air station bridges devastating air and ground combat power. Flying F-35Bs, V-22 Ospreys, and AH-1Z Vipers, MCAS installations directly support ground Marines with close air support. MCAS Miramar, the legendary Top Gun School, anchors West Coast marine aviation. MCAS Beaufort and Cherry Point dominate the East Coast. The transition from Harriers to fifth-generation F-35s transformed marine aviation's global lethality entirely. Naval Air Station. A naval air station is the home of carrier aviation, maritime patrol, and naval air power. NAS Pensacola, the legendary cradle of naval aviation, has trained pilots for over a century. NAS Oceana and Lemoore home the Navy's frontline fighter squadrons. Overseas stations like NAS Sigonella in Sicily and NAS Rota in Spain anchor American dominance across the entire Mediterranean region permanently. Space Force Base. A Space Force base controls humanity's most powerful high ground, orbit itself. Vandenberg SFB launches rockets, tests missiles, and deploys satellites controlling GPS, communications, and missile warning systems globally. Peterson SFB and the legendary Cheyenne Mountain Complex serve as nerve centers for space domain awareness. As China and Russia develop anti-satellite weapons, Space Force bases are becoming the most strategically critical installations on Earth. Arsenal. An arsenal combines weapons manufacturing, research, and storage under one installation. Unlike depots, arsenals actively develop and produce military equipment. Redstone Arsenal in Alabama houses NASA programs, missile defense systems, and Army aviation commands simultaneously. Rock Island Arsenal remains America's last government-owned weapons manufacturer, operating continuously for 150 years. Modern arsenals are now producing hypersonic missiles, advanced drones, and directed energy weapons for future warfare. Submarine Base. A submarine base controls Earth's most secretive and devastating weapons platforms. Naval Submarine Base Kings Bay in Georgia homes Ohio-class Trident ballistic missile submarines, representing the most survivable leg of America's nuclear triad. Locations are classified, security is extraordinary, and operations are shrouded in secrecy. Bangor in Washington anchors Pacific submarine strategy. Without these hidden bases, nuclear deterrence, the foundation of global stability, simply cannot function. Combat Outpost. A combat outpost represents the absolute tip of the spear. Housing just 20 to 150 soldiers in hostile territory, COPs are small, dangerous, and psychologically brutal. Cop Keating's Battle of Kamdesh and Cop Restrepo became legendary symbols of courage under impossible odds. Built from HESCO barriers under enemy fire, these isolated positions dominate key terrain. The debate over their strategic value versus human cost remains fierce. Fire Support Base, or Fire Base. A fire support base became iconic during the Vietnam War, housing artillery that protected entire operational areas. Fire bases Ripcord, Illingsworth, and Byrd witnessed some of history's most ferocious defensive battles. Engineers and infantry built these positions under enemy fire in dense jungle. Artillery crews provided 24/7 fire coverage for maneuvering infantry units. The concept evolved through Iraq and Afghanistan, with precision rocket artillery replacing conventional howitzers entirely. National Training Center. The National Training Center at Fort Irwin, California, is the world's most realistic combat training environment. Brigade-sized units deployed to the Mojave Desert for grueling 30-day rotations against the legendary OPFOR, the 11th Cavalry Element, which almost always defeats visiting units. Miles gear, live fire exercises, and total immersion training reveal every weakness. Lessons learned at NTC have undeniably saved thousands of American lives in real combat. Proving Ground. A proving ground is where tomorrow's weapons are tested today. Yuma Proving Ground in Arizona is the world's largest weapons testing facility, evaluating tanks, missiles, aircraft, and body armor under extreme conditions. Aberdeen Proving Ground has developed American weapons since World War I. Every weapon entering military service must survive rigorous test and evaluation processes here. Famous failures revealed critical design flaws that would have proven catastrophic in actual combat. Military Depot. A military depot is the industrial heartbeat of military readiness. Anniston Army Depot overhauls America's tanks and artillery, while Corpus Christi Army Depot is the world's largest helicopter maintenance facility. Operating across 3 maintenance levels, depots handle the most complex, time-consuming repairs that field units cannot perform themselves. During wartime, depots dramatically surge production capacity, keeping thousands of vehicles, aircraft, and weapon systems continuously operational for deployed forces. Intelligence Facility. An intelligence facility is among the most powerful military installations despite its deliberately low public profile. NSA Fort Meade is the largest intelligence complex on Earth, conducting global signals intelligence and cyber warfare operations. Edward Snowden's leaks revealed the extraordinary scale of these operations worldwide. SCIF's sensitive compartmented information facilities make these installations virtually impenetrable. America's Five Eyes partnership links intelligence bases across the UK, Australia, Canada, and New Zealand globally. Nuclear Weapons Storage Site. A nuclear weapons storage site is small in size but enormous in strategic consequence. Hardened underground vaults, permissive action links, and strict two-man rules protect weapons capable of destroying entire cities. Buchel Air Base in Germany stores American nuclear weapons under NATO's nuclear sharing arrangement. Transporting nuclear warheads requires extraordinary security operations. Several terrifying accidents at storage sites have brought the world uncomfortably close to unthinkable catastrophic consequences. Missile Defense Site. A missile defense site protects entire nations from ballistic missile attack. Fort Greely in Alaska houses America's primary ground-based interceptors designed to destroy incoming ICBMs in space. THAAD and Patriot batteries deployed in South Korea, Japan, and the Middle East defend against regional threats. Critics debate whether missile defense systems actually work reliably. Russia and China are developing hypersonic weapons specifically engineered to defeat and overwhelm these critical installations. Joint Readiness Training Center. The Joint Readiness Training Center at Fort Johnson, Louisiana, is America's premier light infantry combat training environment. Swamps, dense forests, and brutal heat create conditions unlike any other training facility. Brigade combat teams face realistic opposing forces through jungle, urban, and counterinsurgency scenarios. Special operations forces train alongside conventional units, creating genuine joint integration. JRTC specifically prepares forces for environments NTC cannot replicate, making both training centers absolutely essential. Logistics Base. Napoleon famously said armies travel on their stomachs. Logistics bases prove him right. Log-based sites and the massive Anaconda base in Iraq simultaneously supported over 150,000 troops with fuel, ammunition, food, and medical supplies. Dangerous convoy operations moved these supplies forward under constant threat. Today, AI-powered tracking systems, RFID technology, and autonomous vehicles are completely revolutionizing how military logistics bases operate and sustain deployed forces globally. Theater Sustainment Base. A theater sustainment base is the regional backbone supporting entire wars. Gulf bases in Kuwait and Qatar sustained 20 years of Middle East operations, housing combat support hospitals, massive fuel depots, and pre-positioned equipment. Closing a theater sustainment base after conflict ends logistical challenges as complex as opening one. These installations quietly enable everything visible in warfare while remaining largely invisible to the public and media worldwide. Cooperative Security Location. A cooperative security location represents modern military strategy's lily pad approach: small footprint, massive strategic impact. Across Africa, the U.S. quietly built a network of CSLs for counterterrorism operations. Maintained by contractors and host nation forces, these facilities hold pre-positioned equipment and can transform into fully active bases within 72 hours. Securing CSL agreements requires delicate diplomacy, balancing American strategic interests against host nation political sensitivities and sovereignty concerns. Military Medical Center. A military medical center is where warriors are rebuilt. Walter Reed National Military Medical Center is the world's most recognized military hospital, treating presidents and generals alike. Landstuhl Regional Medical Center in Germany served as the critical first stop for every combat casualty from Middle East wars. Military medicine pioneered damage control surgery, advanced prosthetics, and PTSD treatment breakthroughs that have transformed civilian trauma care and saved countless lives globally. Garrison. A garrison is one of military history's oldest and most enduring concepts, traceable directly to Roman legions. It represents the permanent home of a military unit between deployments. Garrison commanders manage entire installations separately from combat unit commanders. Quality housing, schools, and recreation facilities retain military families during long separations. Fort Liberty, Fort Campbell, and Fort Cavazos are among America's most legendary garrisons, each carrying generations of extraordinary military history and tradition. Observation Post. An observation post is one of warfare's oldest and most enduring concepts, existing since ancient armies first needed eyes on the enemy. Soldiers endure isolation, extreme temperatures, and sudden violent contact to watch, report, and direct fires. Korean DMZ OPs remain among the world's most dangerous postings today. Technology has evolved from binoculars to drones and AI surveillance systems, yet the trained human eye remains irreplaceable on every battlefield. Marine Corps Recruit Depot. A Marine Corps Recruit Depot is where ordinary civilians are transformed into United States Marines. Parris Island has forged Marines since 1915 through every major American war. San Diego's MCRD handles West Coast recruits, sparking endless debate over which depot produces tougher Marines. 13 brutal weeks culminate in the 54-hour Crucible, the ultimate test earning the Eagle, Globe, and Anchor. No military transformation process anywhere is more demanding or legendary. Forward Arming and Refueling Point. A forward arming and refueling point extends helicopter combat power deep into enemy territory. Established rapidly under tactical conditions, FARPs provide fuel and ammunition, allowing aircraft to strike far beyond normal range. Operation Anaconda demonstrated perfectly how FARPs enabled critical deep air assault missions. Highly vulnerable and heavily concealed, they are priority targets for enemy forces. Autonomous drones and electric aircraft are now completely redefining how future FARPs will operate. Pre-positioning site. A pre-positioning site is strategically priceless real estate. Diego Garcia in the Indian Ocean stores enough equipment to outfit entire brigades, enabling combat deployment in days rather than months. During the Gulf War, pre-positioned stocks proved absolutely decisive in assembling overwhelming force with extraordinary speed. The Army Pre-Positioned Stocks program maintains this global network across multiple continents. Critics argue concentrating equipment in known locations creates dangerous vulnerabilities that sophisticated adversaries will inevitably exploit.